Act with integrity. Personal and professional integrity is the cornerstone of our business. Integrity requires honesty, reliability, and ethical behavior at all times in order to earn and maintain the trust and confidence of our clients. It requires that you act in your client's best interests when providing products and services. Integrity means you will not participate in or condone activities that are illegal, dishonest, fraudulent, or deceitful. Act with competence or diligence. Competence is demonstrated in the knowledge and skill you apply when providing products and services. It is acquired through education, training, and experiences, and maintained through continuous learning that enhances your professional development. Competence include the wisdom to recognize the limitation of your knowledge and when consultation with or client referral to another individual is in your client's best interests. Diligence means that you provide prompt and thorough service based on your client's needs and objectives. Act with fairness. Fairness is treating others with the same respect and dignity with which you would want to be treated. Products and services should be individualized, the best suited for them. To act fairly, you must avoid conflict of interest or appearance of conflict of interest with your clients. Maintain confidentiality of your client's personal information. Our business is based on trust, which can only be maintained when you hold all personal information in strictest confidentiality. You are responsible for protecting your client's confidential and personal information against theft, loss, unauthorized access, disclosure, destruction, or misuse. You must take all precaution and safeguard personal and confidential information disclosed to you and in your presence, whether it's held in paper or electronic format. Compliance with federal and provincial privacy legislation and with Sun Life's guidelines on privacy demonstrate your commitment to confidentiality. Act with professionalism. Your conduct should always reflect positively on the profession. Maintain a highest ethical standard of professional conduct with your clients and other financial service providers. Avoid activities that negatively affect the quality of your service. You must act the highest ethical standards expected by the regulators. Act in accordance with the spirit of law. You must comply with all legislation, regulation, guidelines, and company statement that govern our business. You must know all that apply to our business, including but not limited to product-related legislation, sustainability requirements, privacy legislation, and guidelines. You must regulate yourself, ensuring you act and meet the spirit of the law. Conduct your business objectively. You must always place your client's best interests above your own interests, acting on the instructions of your clients. Your recommendation will be based on the fact and personal in an impartial way, allowing your clients to make independent and informed decisions.